Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Connor, your trusted real estate advisor, coming to you with the latest scoop from Santa Clarita and Los Angeles, the real estate market for this past week, all fresh from the Southland Regional Association of Realtors. Now, it is 11/11. Today is the 26th of March, and it is the year of our Lord 2024. We're going to dive into the numbers and see what they're telling us about our dynamic market. First up, we got 5 properties that are teasing us with a coming soon status. They're just waiting to hit the market, so keep your eyes peeled for these opportunities. Surprisingly, 53 new listings have sprung up. Definitely a bustling week with a variety of options for every buyer out there. Whether you're looking for your first home or seeking an investment property, there is real estate out there for sale, so take your time and make sure you're looking at the best sources. Price adjustments have been made on 41 properties, signaling sellers who are eager to negotiate and find the right match for their home. This could be the perfect time to snag a deal. 22 listings have made a comeback as back on the market. If you missed out before, here's your second chance to check out these homes. Find more information at connorwithhonor.com. For those of you that are in the middle of the action, 27 properties are now active under contract, moving one step closer to their new beginnings and new ownership. 43 properties the last 7 days in all of Santa Clarita Valley have shifted to a pending status, just a hair's breadth away from sealing the deal. Definitely the excitement is building there. We've seen 51 properties cross the finish line and actually close, marking a successful week for many buyers and sellers. Congratulations to them. On the quieter side, 2 listings have expired, 5 had been canceled. Meanwhile, 7 homes are on hold and 2 have been withdrawn from the market, perhaps taking a moment to reassess them wanting to sell. What does all this mean for you? Well, whether you're in the market to buy, sell, or just keeping an eye on trends, there's definitely movement and opportunity at every turn in our vibrant Santa Clarita and Los Angeles real estate scene.